If you suspect that your Binance account has been compromised or flagged for suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access. Follow these steps to secure your account. Step 1. Visit the Binance login page. Go to the official Binance website and navigate to the login page. Enter your email and password to attempt to log in. If you cannot access your account, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, click the Forgot Password link. This will prompt you to enter your registered email address to receive a password reset link. Step 3. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Binance. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Make sure to create a strong, unique password. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, immediately enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. This can be done in the account settings under the security section. Choose an authentication method such as Google Authenticator or SMS verification. Step 5. Review account activity. After securing your account, review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it to Binance support immediately for further assistance. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Binance account and enhance its security to prevent future issues. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account regularly.